Gurubhyo Namaha, Namo Namaha. Extremely delighted to be in touch with you all. Healthy living, happy living, session 7. Today, the session is very, very important and I like this session very much. For our health, we need to understand what are the important things, okay? As I have been committing, if you follow my sessions regularly, whatever may be the condition of your health, within 6 weeks, you will find very good improvement. But you have to strictly follow. So this week, we will see that whatever the environment we are living in, or whatever the thoughts we have, how do we look at what is our attitude? That is very important. It definitely affects our health. Suppose you find that your environment is not okay, not conducive for a good physical and mental health, then we need to understand how it works and what we need to do. I'll give an example. You have a calculator. You put input 5 plus 3 is equal to, then what you will get? 8, correct? 5 plus 3 is 8. So the 5 plus 3 is equal to, they are all inputs, right? And the 8 is the output. So the input, output, and there has to be a program in the calculator which gives 5 plus 3 is 8, not 9 or not 7 or not any other number, because there is a program. Similarly, in our life also, the 5 organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, they are the inputs. We constantly getting inputs when we are awake, right? And whatever the past we have used the inputs, okay, the organs, the sense organs, that past input acts as a program for the subsequent input. So the past input is the program for the subsequent input. Then the input plus program is equal to output. If your health or the environment or the situation you find is not okay, conducive, that is the output, correct? So if you want to change the output, if you don't want 8, what you have to do? 2 things you can do. One, you can change the input. You can put something like 10 plus 5 or 1 plus 2. So it will not be 8, it will be some different number. So you can change the input or you can change the program. You still give 5 plus 3 plus is equal to, but give a program in such a way that it gives some other number other than 8, whatever the program is. So in our life situation also, we get the output based on how we use our sense organs. If we use our sense organs constantly, something which is not functional, which is dysfunctional, then what will get the output also not functional. So we need to ask ourselves, are we using our sense organs in the right way? How do you know you are using your sense organs in the right way? I'll give you some ideas. Whatever you see, whatever you hear, whatever you smell, whatever you taste, whatever you touch, can you proudly declare or tell your parents and children? 1. Before using this sense organs, during using the sense organs, after the usage of the sense organs, how do you feel? If you feel all the 3 times happy, then you are using your sense organs rightly. There are some time before using the sense organs, we will get excited, we want to do it. While doing also we may be happy, but after that, then we may regret. We say that I wish I had not done that. So one is, can you share it with your parents and your children very gladly, okay, very proudly? Second is, before, while, after doing that, the use of the sense organs, how do you feel? Are you feeling empowered, energetic? The third one is, the way you are using your sense organs, suppose about that, there is a press release which is going to come in the first page of the very leading newspaper, how would you feel? Ask these questions. If all the three cases you say that I will feel proud, I will feel energetic, I will be happy, then you are using your sense organs in the right way. It's a moral way. Because whatever the input you are having, it will act as a program for the subsequent input. This, whatever the input you have, that becomes a imprint in our mind. That is called samskara. The samskaras will determine how you react or response to the future input. The same goes to health, physical and mental health. If you use your sense organs in a very judicious way, very functional way, then the question might come to you. If it's not coming, I'm making you ask the question is, yes, in future, I can decide how I should use my indriyas, 5 sense organs. But what happened to that past programs, which I already taken it in? The past programs can be powered by subsequent inputs. I'll give an example you will appreciate. Suppose you have a jar. The jar is filled with water which is not pure. But if you keep pouring pure water, slowly, steadily, the jar, that all impure water will be replaced by the pure water. At some point of time, you will find the jar is only with the pure water. Same way, if you start using your sense organs only for the functional way, in a moral way, then all the past programs will be overpowered. In future, your input will also be good. The program is also good. So you will have the output also good. The output here we are looking for is a good health. So you have to see some videos or clippings which will empower a good physical, mental health, some exercise, some audio which will help you that what are the nutritions, what are the right type of food, right type of lifestyle you have to have. You can see people who are doing this, following it. They are disciplined people. Then you have to control your nose so that you ensure that you smell only thing what is good for your health. Same way, all the 5 sense organs, we need to make use of it. So this topic is a very simple topic. I hope you understand it very easily. So from today onwards, keep your journal. At the end of the day, right from the morning till night, how I used my sense organs. Before using it, while using it, after using it, whether I felt energetic, happy. If not, which are the items, you write down that. And the subsequent days, try to reduce that. And increase those usage of the sense organs where you are happy all the time, before, while and after. And if you are using its sense organs in a right way, please share it with your parents and children and empower them and feel good about it. So this is very important for your health. If you start using it, then you will use it diligently, all your sense organs, be it eating, be it smelling, be it hearing, be it seeing. Then your health, mental and physical health, will become very, very good. I am sure about it. Right from today, start making the journal of the usage of your sense organs and use it judiciously and be happy with it. Life is nothing but discipline. A good life is nothing but a discipline. A discipline is very important, the way we use our sense organs. It's like a chariot which has got 5 horses and you have got a rein, that is a mind. How you control the horses depends upon the quality of your journey. You let loose the horse, then it will run helter-skelter. You may meet with an accident, right? You may lose your life also. The same case here. The 5 sense organs are as good as it's a vehicle. You need to use it. You should not allow that to use you or control you. So, ladies and gentlemen, this session is very, very important. Listen to it time and again. Share it with your good friends. And I'm sure that if you follow this and adhere it very clearly, you will have very happy life and healthy life also. Let's continue in the journey of healthy living, happy living. Thanks for this opportunity. Gurubhyo Namaha, Namo Namaha.